Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do apple bombs. We are not going to use the store-bought biscuit dough here. Instead, we are going to do this from the scratch. First, let us start preparing the dough. For the dough, we need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Give this a nice mix. To this, add 2 teaspoons of butter and a pinch of salt. Now let us crumble this. Once done, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and the required amount of buttermilk to knead this into a dough. We need a soft dough out of this, so add buttermilk accordingly. The dough has to be soft like this. Now let us cover this and leave this for another 15 to 20 minutes. By the time, let us get ready with the fillings. For the fillings, we need an apple. You have to peel the skin and cut it like this. To this, add a tablespoon of butter and a quarter cup of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can go for jaggery powder or white sugar. Once the sugar melts down completely, add 1.5 tablespoons of cornflour. Give this a nice mix and add little water. Add less than a quarter cup, not more than that. As we have added cornflour, this will get thick quickly. Once this is thick, you can switch off the flame. Coming back to the dough, this has become even more soft now. Let us divide this into small balls. Here I have divided this into 5 balls. Take one ball out of this. We are going to flatten this. Apply some butter or oil on the surface and then place the ball. This has to be neither thick nor thin. This is ready. Now place some filling on the middle. Gather the dough and make this a ball. One is ready. Do the same with the other balls. Apply some melted butter. You can either bake this or shallow fry this in oil. Here I am going to use an air fryer. This is Solara air fryer. Solara air fryer is simple to use. It has manual settings as well as pre-settings. You can cook meat, chicken, fish, fries and cakes with one touch. Let us take out the given basket and grease it with oil. Place the prepared balls in it and place the basket inside the air fryer. I'm here going to do the settings manually. We are going to cook this at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. This is ready now. Let us take it out. Applying butter immediately will maintain the softness of the buns. I have prepared the recipe with Solara air fryer. If you do want the air fryer, link is there in the description box. Please click it. Do give a try. This will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.